Good morning, you guys. I'm about to pop in Sunday brunch, starting it at least. I got biscuits ready to go, as well as I'm doing this twisted bacon. Trying something new today with the bacon. It's supposed to make it really nice and crispy all over. And yeah, I'm gonna give it a try in the oven today. And then I'm also making banana pumpkin chocolate chip muffins because we had some extra ripe bananas and some leftover pumpkin puree from another recipe. So in this bowl here, I have a 3/4 of a cup of pumpkin puree, 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, one large egg, 2 ripe bananas that I've smashed all up, and then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that all together. And then in this bowl over here, I'm going to be combining, let's see here, 1.5 cups flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, some salt, 1/2 teaspoon, and 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips. So I'll make these after I'm done with brunch, and I'll let you know how they turn out, and I'll leave this recipe linked for you guys. I forgot to show you guys them straight out of the oven, but they smell insanely good. I'm making delivery to my brother and my parents some yummy goodies.
Hey guys, another Pilates class checked off the list. It's Monday. Driving back home now, so I'm not looking at you. But yeah, had a really good, successful Pilates class. Got my morning started off right. Now I'm gonna go home and probably make a smoothie. Well, actually in about an hour because my fasting window's not up. I am still doing intermittent fasting. And it really works for me. A lot of you are like, how do you eat like these treats and stuff that you share every week? It's called balance, 100% balance. If I'm eating cruddy, or if I eat something that's like more sweet and carb filled, then I'm working out to counterbalance that, or I'm making sure that my calorie like amount for the day, that I have enough to balance that. I don't know how to explain that. I think that makes sense. But I don't deprive myself. I eat almost everything that I want to eat on the weekend, but in smaller amounts and nothing crazy. And during the week, I'm extremely more mindful of my eating and not eating as much throughout the day. I don't know if that's helpful or not, but just thought I'd mention that. And I'm booking it back home because we've got some people come into the house for like the yearly maintenance repair stuff.
So I'm having one of my banana pumpkin muffins that I made over the weekend. These don't have a lot of sugar. It's like 1/2 cup in the whole recipe, but the banana makes it really sweet, and then the pumpkin helps with digestive health and all that. And they're delicious. I wanted to show you though that these wrappers I use, I got them off of Amazon. They're called tulip cupcake wrappers, and I love them. So I crinkled them a little bit because of how I had pressed them down in the lid earlier, but when they pull apart, I wanted to show you, when they pull apart, it's just seamless. See how beautiful that is? There's like no crinkle lines or anything like that. It's so pretty. I don't know. And the paper is just like one even paper. I like things like that. Those little things make me happy. Anybody else? Where something just comes off like easy as pie.
Good morning. I'm sorry if you can hear the air conditioning because it's going to be 105 degrees today. But pumpkin spice lattes are back at Starbucks. Yes, in the same sentence, I said that it's 105 degrees and that there's pumpkin spice lattes at Starbucks. But I'm just like that. I'm extra like that, and I want it to be fall, so I'm gonna drink my pumpkin spice latte and be in absolute heaven and think about all the amazing fall things while I sip on this and pretend like it's fall while it's 105 degrees. I'm not complaining about being hot. I know it's still summer, but in my house it looks like fall, my closet looks like fall, and now my drinks look like fall. Oh my gosh. So heavenly. I know so many of you don't like it, but I love it. So this is probably the only pumpkin spice latte you'll see me drink this year. Maybe one hot one once it starts getting cold. But I honestly don't drink a lot of pumpkin spice lattes. I drink pumpkin chais And so it's a chai tea with pumpkin like flavoring, like the pumpkin syrup they use for this. And that's so amazing, and it's way less calories. So that's what I go for.
As you may remember, I purchased these stackable pumpkins at the 99 cents only store. And they just kind of click and stack together. It's Holly over there. They just click and stack together like this, but then I jazzed it up a little with some little twine and fall leaves that I just had hanging around, as well as a little pine cone, just to make it look a little more festive and dressed up. I'll do a Halloween version too when it gets closer. Made just some chicken salads tonight. I used the chicken from Costco that I love, the chicken breast strips. I used some pepperoni, some garbanzo beans, tomato, obviously lettuce. I think that's it. Chicken, I said that already. I might put some carrots. Getting ready for work this morning, but I just wanted to mention that I still use Liquid IV almost every day. It's a hydration multiplier. It has a little bit of calories. Let's see. One stick is 45 calories, but it has 3 times the hydration than just drinking like a regular bottle of water when you add it. It has electrolytes, non-GMO. I love the pina colada and the tangerine, which is like the vitamin C one, so you get an extra boost of vitamin C as well. I ran out of that, so I'm just using up my pina colada ones for now, but it definitely helps me drink more water, especially in the morning when I just don't feel like having anything. Hey guys, it's Thursday. I just dropped off Chris and I'm about to go to work. I need to reapply my lip already. But I wanted to come on here really quick to mention that these earrings from What Would Lizzie Do, her new jewelry line called Refined, I love the pieces. I've been wearing them all week. These specific hoops I've been wearing the most all week. And today I'm going to see if the doctor can re-pierce my second piercing for me, so that I can start wearing her other smaller earrings. But yeah, I'm loving them. They're so pretty. All right, that's all. Just wanted to say a quick hi. I'm back because I did it again. She did it again, folks. She went and got herself another pumpkin drink. Okay, this is the pumpkin cream cold brew. And I've honestly don't think I've tasted this, and so many of you suggested it to me, but when I don't know why I didn't have it. I don't think I have, at least. So I'm gonna taste it on camera with you right now. I didn't stir it, but I'm going to in a little bit here. But I want to just have it straight as it came. So it looks beautiful. Do you see a little bit of like cinnamon on top? It smells so good. It smells so freaking good. Oh, that is so good. Okay. This is going to be my new favorite. So freaking good. Why didn't I try this earlier? All right. I've got to go into work, but that is phenomenal. Little Chick-fil-A lunch date with my babe today. I'm bringing him Chick-fil-A because it was slower in the office, so I get to bring him lunch for once. I am so tired this morning, but guess what, folks? I'm at Pilates. It's Friday morning, and I'm gonna start this day up right. Got my cute little bag. Seriously, I love these. I need to get one in black because I keep worrying that I'm gonna get this one dirty, but it looks just like the Lululemon one. I saw the actual Lulu one the other day when shopping, and I was like, why would I spend $50 on that one? These are like 17 bucks. They're so cute too. Anyways, going to, can you see Club Pilates over there? I don't think you can. There it is. I'm going to the East Mesa location today. I usually go to the Queen Creek. All right, getting inside. So no makeup day for work today. I'm wearing my new favorite Sanderson Sister Brewing Company shirt. This is from Amazon. But I had to tell you guys that I tried the pumpkin cold foam chai today, and it's kind of sweet, but really good. It's like a little sweet treat for sure. I made jack-o'-lantern quesadillas tonight with jalapenos and chicken as well, but I cut it before showing you. But I'll insert a clip right here of the reel that I filmed for it. Sorry, this is really loud, but I was watching Housewives. Holly, what do? You show mama? Show mama what you want. Show mama what you want. Show mommy. Show mama. Oh, over there? What do you want? You want the chicken? Yeah? Oh, yes. Okay, that would be a solid yes. This is what they're going nuts for. They love, when I say, do you want a chicken? This is what I give them, chicken jerky from Full Moon. It has nothing in it, pretty much. It's just all chicken, dried chicken jerky. Glycerin-free, all the gross stuff free. Not sponsored at all. Just letting you guys know that this is what they're going crazy for. And I also tried out these ones and they like them too. The jerky tenders. I wish I could show you guys how crazy this is, but a huge dust storm, it just blew in. It got pitch black almost. It doesn't seem like it from the camera, but there's a wall of dust. You can't see anything out there. Almost like a fog. And it was instant. It was so weird. I was just sitting there and all of a sudden it went dark. Having some crazy weather this week. Fall candles have been lit and started in this household. I'm burning leaves from last year. I have not purchased any candles. I'm going to show you my candle collection. It's over here in this little bin. But first, I was just lighting my candle and realized, I don't know if I've told you guys about this. Chris got me this a couple years ago as a gift, but it's like an electric lighter. Let me show you up close. So you charge it, and really it stays charged for a while, but it's a lot more economical. See, just a little thing, and you put it right up next to the thing, and it lights. It's pretty cool. Sorry, the light's coming in weird right now, but it seems like a lot, but it's not, because a lot of this is kind of crammed together since I have these kind of candles on the side too that I hold. But most of these are Christmas, I believe, because I got them during like the Christmas sale. There's a couple. So I have this one for Halloween that I can't wait to burn vampire blood. This one's, the lid is so cool with little bats. And then I have a few spring ones left over right here. Most of them are Bath & Body Works. It's not focusing. There we go. But you can see there's some Christmas ones back there that I'll be burning through. And I do have this one here though, the pumpkin chai candle from Better Homes and Garden. So, what? What, honey? You want your toys? You can get to it. Good Saturday morning to you guys. Actually, I'm gonna put my sleeves down now. I'm here at the porch. I'm gonna be having brunch with my good friend Joan. She was in my wedding. I'm gonna insert a picture right here. And we've been friends since college, so for many, many years now. And yeah, I'm just so excited to get to catch up with her because it's been a little bit since we've gotten to say hi in person. We constantly stay in touch, obviously, online, but it's so much better when we can see each other in person. So I'll show you around at this fun brunch spot as well while we're here. So I got back from lunch now. It was such a nice time together, catching up. It was long overdue. But Joan gave me my birthday gift. That's how long overdue we've been trying to get together. So she got me a Target gift card because she knows me well. And look, she got toys for Lucy and Holly. And it's so funny. I had the toy, like my gift, over by Chris by the sofa, and she found it and was barking for it. So had to show you guys real quick. Okay, I'm getting it. Well, it is pretty clear I'm obsessed with this lip oil from Jaclyn Hill. Mine that I'm loving the most is in Rose Drip. But I'm going to try to use up my other lip oils before I repurchase it, but it really is so good. I love this color. It's like the perfect color even when I'm not wearing makeup. So tonight I'm making these fun fall cookies that are super easy because you just need pre-made Nestle Toll House chocolate chip cookie dough and then some fun Pillsbury shaped cookies, the shaped sugar cookie dough. So you just place them on top of each other. You place one square of this with this one is on top of the square of this and bake for 11 to 12 minutes. And I will show you what they look like after. What's great about this is you don't have to bake all of them. You can just bake a select few and have a little special fall treat that's really easy. So I'll show you what they look like after. And here they are out of the oven. They smell so good. Pretty much perfect consistency too. I'm sure they're amazing. Okay, these are pretty dang good. They're really sweet, but they're a combo to try for sure.